Jack.
Lift up in the front, lift up right here. Go down. Back. Lift up the front, go down the back. Go down the back.
Oh man.
Film all that. Looks pretty fucking good up in there, but. Yeah, well, here, George, come around and look in this hole. Use your light. Here, I'll tell you what, we're gonna roll right out there. It was just full of crap on the inside. It was just muck. I'm going.
Let me get
Pump a little bit. There we go. We're up. Give it a little pump.
make sure the oil jigs are lined up.
Yep. They're lining up. They're all lined up.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. We went. Oh my God. What a beat. Hey, you got to push all your bolts back through.
Yeah.
From up top.
Yeah. All right.
I got like a dozen coming through, but we're Alright, hold off.
So close.
Start it, Ron. We're gonna have to hook the charger up.
Come on, baby.
Close.
Getting fuel, Mark.
Yeah. Should be like idling right there and just idle.
Well, I've set everything back to factory, so might have to open it up a little.
Yeah.
Let me go half on the idle. And maybe I'll open up the main jet a little bit. Shouldn't have closed it up. I mean, I clamped the adjustment up there.
Okay.
So let me unclamp it.
George, you want to hook up the charger?
Let me try cracking the main jet a little.
I'm gonna grab my phone.
Sorry, George.
Oh, good.
No, I was just really.
It looks like it's not really a thermostat, it's more of a plate that you adjust for water flow. So it must be plugged.
Possibly have some corrosion on the points.
There's a bypass.
And there's a good bit of green on this.
That's the housing. There's the bypass right here.
UPS is here, by the way.
What's that, George?
Oh, telling Rachel UPS is here.
Oh,
I'm getting it to jostle just a
I wonder
little.
if this whole plate pops up with that inside the whole unit.
may be frozen. I bet you it's adjustable. That's my guess.
This
Yeah,
one-
there's a plate and then there's a gasket on the bottom.
Yeah, you should have a gasket on
Yeah, I got one on top. Here, let me try and loosen it
But
up.
the center should slide out. There we go. No, hold on, keep going that way. Might have to get something a little smaller.
Yeah.
Nothing else, we get a pattern. We got that outside plastic ring to make another one. Otherwise, we'll get a thinner scraper. I don't want to stick this in.
Yep, that ain't gonna
Yeah,
work.
it's Bakelite. We can make another piece, but
What's that called?
it's Bakelite.
Oh,
The plastic. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, it might be. I don't know. You might want to look at it. It might be pot metal. Might be having a machine to plate. It might be like a soft aluminum or a pot metal.
I don't have a knife on it. Can you scratch it?
I gotta, let me get a razor real quick.
Where you got a regular hammer over here? You got one or go get one? You don't have one?
I got one in my toolbox there.
We'll talk to the company. We got other stuff through if we can get that or what. But, hope that's getting in. 'Cause, I mean, this broke. That looks like it's gonna break. Yep. I would like to have a pattern. I guess we're gonna be putting back together. Where's the other little piece? It's in here. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna be making a pattern.